let's design the app. We've got to design a calculator. This is our blank slate. What what does a calculator need to be a calculator? A lot of buttons, right? So what type of buttons? Digits. So digits will go from 0 to 9. What else? Operators. So what kind of operators are we talking about here?
Plus, minus, times.
And division. There can be others as well. You can have other operators. But let's stick to that for now. What else?
Clear button. Clear button.
What button?
Clear button.
Clear. What else? Backspace. Okay.
Most important, equal.
Equal. Okay. What else?
A dot maybe.
Dot. Yes, you have something? Anything else you can think of?
Text view.
Text view to display all of that, right? Yeah, so the buttons and then a text view. So these are all the buttons. Any other buttons we are missing? How about something to change the sign, plus, minus? There could be other things, square roots, but calculators come with various functionalities. But what we want is something basic, maybe something like this. So that's what we want. And what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to enter a number, then choose an operator, and enter another number and press equal to or press an operator, and something should happen. That's our basic functionality. So this is what we can put in here. We can put a bunch of buttons in this area. And then we can have a display of the number that is being entered and the result and all that. And also, again, there are various ways of doing it. For example, some of the calculator apps, they keep showing as you're typing. If you type 2 plus 3 plus 4, it will show there 2 plus 3 plus 4. Whereas old style calculators, if you typed 2 and then pressed plus and then pressed 3, it would show 3 now. So that's what we will do. We will not try to type an equation and try to parse it. That would be a more complex endeavor than we want to engage in right now. So we will develop an equivalent of an old style simple calculator. So this is going to be our view. Swift was basically designed with model view controller schemes in mind. So there is a view controller, and there is a model. So we've got our view. We'll need a model and a controller. So like last time we saw that when we create any of these projects, even today you will see that there is a class called view controller. That is where we connect the view to the controller, and it deals with all the events that happen on the view. The button is touched or whatever is, any of those. And we will also need to design a model, which we will not do right now, which keeps track of what is going on in the calculator when you enter a number. The model knows that a number was entered, an operator was pressed, which operator was pressed, and then what else happens. All of those things will happen in the model. And there is a state of the model which this thing will keep on displaying. So if the model has just finished calculating and it has a result, it will show the result. If you said 2 plus 3 and then press equal to, it will show 5. Things like that. So we'll do all of that. Today what we will start with is doing the graphical design of these buttons. So what we need is a whole lot of buttons to be added to this.